People, I want them to cock a eye. Now, guys, me have to laugh because look like say somebody on social media and they enjoy them 2024. You can see it, say them stress out. You can see it, say them unhappy. Because if the last day of the year and them a quarrel so, and what am I going to do in a 2025? You see me? Now people, me hear Marcia came up on her live and I cuss out some cloth. She cuss Ashanti. Me hear she dab up under Queen Bee. And I said to myself, if you're a big woman like you, why is it the year I don't know? Why you couldn't just be more calm and say, yo, may I put on the phone chanting? No, you can't do it. You will not do it. You know why? Because you're stressed out. You see me? You have one thing for your mind. Man, God left you. You never live nowhere. You catch from house to house and thing. So I expect people. She miserable. Me, you don't want to quarrel some and I cuss some breed a bad word there. And I talk about our son, I got alright and all these things and that. If your son in a wrongs, him in a wrongs, why are you coming out and I try to defend him when you know him involved in wrongs, when you know your hide things? You see me? The evidence is out there. Enough people see the evidence against the son. So why are you coming now and I try to defend your son? Me hear about Queen Bee, but she deserve it. She the dark shit on social media. She the one bee when we do what we can't rain honey. She the one bee we love chat. You see me? And guess what, guys? It always take one to know one. Why you think Queen Bee stays and I like plank about? Because she was in alliance with MC until MC kick her out. Just like when Father got kicked out the devil. Yeah, man. I saw you take her know them one by one and thing. These individuals, them are twin. Them have the same genetic makeup, people. Don't joke thing about that. You see me? Me I say this to you again, people. Real, no real. And the world knows it, than a real. And them don't like it. So what them do is try find all kind of problem with the woman. Talk all kind of bad things about the lady. And the lady say elevate herself and move from level to level and grow bigger and bigger. Big up yourself, Planka Boss. Happy New Year when the time come. You see me? Now, you can see some of them unhappy. You can see them stressed out, them hungry. Them full of be a mouth, but members only. And I say, yo, say them for the new year, what them are going to do? Them not going to do no live, none at all. All them are going to do is just do everything on top on them YouTube channels. I mean, I say, why is it you get back your Facebook, you're not going to do no live? She said she want people to support her. She said if the sheet not sell, the curtain not sell, and the quilt not sell, she not come live. You can't force people to support you. You see, then I force somebody to support her. Then a company live and say she has said things and the page full up. What wrong with you? Your members only people them not rate you. Them not rate you none at all. Them not busy about you. And you're not getting a tough head. Them not see you as a person, a business person. Them see you as a big waste woman on social media, a big teddy bear, a big clown for 2024. You see me? And them a view you as that. Nobody take you serious. When you keep your karaoke and think people laugh for you, them a mock you, them a say, wait, that is big idiot clown here. You know, sister, you know make no sense. See me? You know, sister, you waste the time on 2024. That's why you like a miserable in 2025. And take a bit in 2025, even worse. Because Ashanti cost you for so much months. Why you not avoid him? You don't have to answer at Ashanti, you know? Because you claim that Ashanti no live nowhere. You claim that Ashanti have fish son and all these things. And say some of the people may have cuss son and thing, them don't live nowhere. Them picnic get locked up and thing. Them picnic is no different from you. See me? So when you want to come and chat off your mouth and run off your mouth and thing, if you understand, say yo. You is just an example of who you are, the life where you live. Somebody can miserable so and I bite myself so. You see me I bite at myself? Me not care right now, I take my time and I talk to you. Just as it is. But you have to come out and raise your blood pressure and vein in your face just to tell Ashanti about him backside. And you can't come out and talk intelligent. Everything is quarreling. Boy, you boy. Me know your man no left and think. The man can't do them kind of miserableness to my grade. Too miserable, man. No. You want some sort out for the new year, man, MC. No. My subscribers agree with me. You need some sort of for the new year, man. No. You can't go in the new year so miserable. It don't look good. It don't look good, MC. And for a woman like you and for that so much mouth, Saka should be easy for you. But no. You, waiting again, man. You're not going to get none. Can the man don't want you? The man them running for you. Them gone. Them gone. If you, them don't want to waste the time on you. You see me? The man nowadays don't want to waste the time on Marcia Campbell. Because the man knows that Marcia Campbell is a big lunatic on social media. The man them know say Marcia Campbell give it free thing for free. See me? Give a free thing for free on social media. No, sir, people. Me tell you this, man. What a piece of jump on social media. Kaka eye, you need to go check your blood pressure and everything at all. Because you're too upset, man. No. You're going too bad. You're quarrel too much. No, sir. For your woman, we say you're sexual active and thing, you shouldn't be so miserable. And you're not pay Ashanti in the mind. Since you claim same to live now, you not have to pay him the mind. Don't people. You have to pay Ashanti no mind and thing, but no. You have things where your backside showcase in your back of your car about sheet and quilt. You better make sure so you sell them off. And that me tell you, make sure so you sell off them sheet then them rug down where you want car. Because you know go on your side. You're too bad mind and dirty and corrupt. That's why your life can get better. But you're a big deal. Big deal on the backside. Nothing but a waste of time for social media, guys. Rock and come in. How are the big bird? Your son guilty. You have to live with that. Because my daughter guilty, I have to live with that. I know you're never there for my daughter. You see me? Because by right, if my daughter guilty and thing, I'm me the parents to be blamed. And my fault. Or something me do wrong why my daughter get charged for that. You see me? Because I never be a father in her life. You see me? If I was a father in her life and think all of this wouldn't happen. Straightforward. But when you are a mother, should I say when you're a mother and you're not a father or a pitney and you be a mother alone and you do the right thing, it will come back to you. Where the father did for deal them son Marcia? Where the father did? Run down the because the man not stay with you. So when you come out and defend your son and thing, the father come out and defend his son. Yeah, man. The man tired of your son. Matter of fact, your son go that tired that you are defending. Talk truth, MC, man. You better pay Ashanti now, man. Make Ashanti come about in business. You see me? Because if you Ashanti the difference than thing, that, you know, nothing enough to start out on the thing, you know, and allow out certain things. But, in idea, still, two wrongs no make a right. See me? But, we know ourselves, so yo, things now get better on social media. It all get worse. It all gonna get worse, people. So I can watch and see what I go on and think for the new year. I can watch and see what's gonna go on for the new year, guys. Because me I tell you, there will be a banger wrong. You see me? I say once MC come out, you know so Ashanti come out again for her. That continue over and over again, people. Okay. Sorry about that. So I feel like I catch a flu. I feel like I catch a flu and thing, people. So I'm gonna stay tuned and leave on a thought. Right down below, let me know what you guys think about this drama between Ashanti and MC. Also, what MC had to say about Jennifer, Sickhead, Queen Bee, Bahrain. You see me? So guys, tonight I got to water from enjoy myself with my family. You see me? So I'm gonna make sure so I stay tuned. So I'm gonna come back. Me say I can drop a new video. I'm gonna swag on my water go and people. But tonight it'll be festive. It'll be festive, people. I'm telling that from now. Fireworks and all kind of celebration are gonna go on down the song. You see me? So when you look out for that, people, I'm gonna upload that video later on. I'm gonna swag on. I'm gonna do a video. I'm gonna swag on my water go on people. Fireworks now gonna be normal later on. So I'm just bless upon yourself. Like and share and leave on a thought right down below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe by hitting that bell to get notified. So I'm gonna drop new content. Only get the fresh things. You see me? Stay tuned, guys. Later on, down the night or tomorrow morning, drop new video, I'm gonna see what I go on. Bless upon yourself, guys. I'm out.